Hey everyone, it's Bree, and I'm back with another scrapbook process video for the SpiegelMom Scraps design team. And I'm going to be working with this sequin mix right here. It is called Strawberry Dream, and it is part of the September release. And it is so stinking cute. It has little polymer clay pieces. I'm not sure if it's polymer clay, but it looks like polymer clay. But they are strawberry slices and then little strawberries. So this mix to me is going to be perfect for a shaker, and that's what I'm going to create today. I also wanted to show y'all this other mix that's also part of the September release. This one is called Watermelon Crawl, and it also has slices of watermelon and then like a slice of a whole watermelon, I guess you could say. So yeah, these sequin mixes are so cute, and as soon as I saw the strawberry one, I thought, oh my gosh, now I can actually use this strawberry pattern paper from Maggie Holmes' collection, Sweet Story. I love this paper, but I've been kind of unsure as to what I was going to use it for or how I was going to use it. So I pulled it out, and I'm basically going to use the entire collection and try to build off of the strawberries. So I've used these frames from that same collection on, I think, one of my previous layouts. These Polaroid frames are already created to for you to make a shaker in it, where you could tuck a photo or you could tuck ephemera, anything. So they are already pre-made for that. So this video is going to be super simple. This layout is going to be super simple. It came together so quickly. And so yeah, it's a really quick process. So all I'm doing is I opened up the pocket, and I am spooning in some of those sequins, and then to shut the actual Polaroid frame, I am going to run it through my sewing machine just to make sure nothing falls out. I do not want to lose any of those cute strawberry pieces. So I actually tucked in my photo into one of the other frames that you can see on my desk right there. And I chose the one that said sweet because I did want that writing to be right on top of my photo. And those Polaroid frames have a print already on them. So I'm going to go ahead and tear into the strawberry paper just to create some interest and just to give it somewhat of a distressed look. And I'm going to use the other side of it to layer up right behind it. So all the papers I'm using are from the Sweet Story collection, and I don't do too crazy mixed media. I think I just do some black paint splatters towards the end. So this layout, like I said, definitely came together pretty quickly. And my sequin shaker was so easy to create. So if sequin shakers intimidate you, or you don't want to have to buy foam, or you don't want to have to worry about acetate or packaging or anything, I definitely encourage y'all to look for these frames or any kind of frame that maybe already have the acetate already in there, or they're just pre-made and ready to go, because they're so simple. But when it's done, like when your shaker is done, it just looks like you spent a lot of time on it. And you know, as you just saw, it was maybe a couple minutes, and it just looks so cute, especially with those little cute strawberries. I love this mix, and I think I need more of them. Okay, so now the rest of the process is just going to be me building the rest of my layout. I have a bunch of ephemera pieces that are, you know, somewhat large in this collection, and I thought about trying to incorporate them, but I don't. I did use these acetate frames and then this like swan printed acetate piece that I usually wouldn't know what to do with. So when I have pieces like that, like acetate frames, or, you know, elements that I don't really know how to incorporate onto my layout, I like to layer them behind a photo or behind a cluster, or just tucked in as layers. That way you could use all your stuff, and it just, you have layers built underneath whatever you're building. So off camera, I worked on my title. I just used some pink thickers as well as those clear black stickers, also from the Sweet Story collection. And my title is simple. It just says Sweet Cousins. I did use some chipboard pieces from another collection, and I cannot remember what that collection is for the life of me. It was in one of my hip kits, I believe from July. And if I can remember to insert what that collection is, I will let you know. But it was based on lemonade and lemons and strawberries, and very summer vibe, maybe like a farmer's market. And and it's just right on the tip of my tongue, and I can't remember, so I'm sorry. But all I'm doing here is just building on my layers. I've added a bunch of clear stickers with the floral pieces, and then some butterflies. And I'm working on pulling in some stickers from the 6x12 cardstock sheet. I love these puffy stickers right here. These are the tiny ones. And so I'm just adding them in where I need more pops of color to a section that maybe doesn't have any. So like at the top left, I added some blue because there was no blue there. The bottom right, I added a blue, pink little bow. And then I'm tucking in a bunch of cute little things right there underneath that adorable roller skate. That really didn't have much to do with my photo. This was a photo of my niece and Elijah, my son. We were at Universal Studios Hollywood, and so it was just a fun day. And yeah, I just thought it was so cute. There's an up close shot of the sequin shaker and then my little embellishment clusters. And I love how this turned out. It was so simple and so fun. It's so colorful, and hopefully I get to show my niece this in person so she can see those cute strawberries. But yeah, don't forget to use my code Brianna15 to save you 15% off in the shop. There is a photo of my final layout and some up close shots. Thanks again so much for watching, commenting, and subscribing. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.